Alright, what's up guys? So this is my unboxing of the Rodepodmic. Just got this, so I'm gonna be doing a live stream, and going forward my live streams are gonna be with the Podmic. So let's see. I mean, I left a filter somewhere. I do have a pop filter, but I'm just gonna use it straight with this. So let's open it up. Alright, so here it is, this bad boy right here. Man, it looks great. Look at the quality on this thing. It's so weighty. Like it's like a ton of bricks. Super weighty and quality. All right, so let's get this thing set up. It just has some little stuff, nothing really crazy. I already got a stand that's super weighty, connected with the Focusrite. Yeah, let's get this thing popping. So I got this bad boy set up. Got it in the Focusrite. I'm at the next step. I'm gonna connect it to the computer and all that. But yeah, it looks great. Super clean setup here. I think it's gonna be great. Just having a dedicated mic. So the way I stream, that's like Google TV in the background. I should have did a review on this, but I mean, hey, it works really well. 4K, everything. Yeah, it's nice. But yeah, so this is really cool right here. I got the stand. I'm gonna link all this stuff in the description. But this is super weighty. Like this isn't going anywhere. All right, so let's connect it and do some sound samples. Testing. Rodepodmic. Testing. So testing. So it seems like I can get the gain on this pretty high. And I'll probably put the pop filter, you know, just like, yeah, second row, got him, like, you know, things like that. Let's see how that sounds. Crap. Oh! Caliber did it, man. Yeah, I really want to pick it up at that price. Because I got Jedi Fallen Order tomorrow. Yeah, so look out for Black Friday. Stadia with the... Oh, you see the whip in the background. You see the whip. This is how fast I'm going to pick up that sale. As fast as this. Because I really wanted Marvel. And I got my thumbnails. I got everything ready to cover them. I honestly do. It's just... why couldn't these come out in the summer, man? Like, seriously, because the summer, I had such a lull. And not everybody's like jumping on you in November and December. But it's all good. It's all good. It's a good thing to have a ton of games are coming out. So Marvel, I'm gonna do a playthrough with that. I'm probably just gonna pick Iron Man. Probably just gonna pick Iron Man, honestly. Yup. Yeah, D2 is nice, man. Especially you got people to play with now. Because I mean, I don't know, by yourself you can do some stuff, but yeah, definitely when you play, especially you do a raid, right? 6 people and you get an activity done.
Obsession.
It builds
the list is long.
Lifelong
if you asked him, he would have told you
bonds
he
with
was
people,
saving
man.
humanity.
It's almost like you're going to war.
Collecting the radiolarian fluid from the Vex.
Honestly thought it would be a couple minutes, but it turned out really well. Appreciate it, guys. Channel's growing. Please like, subscribe. If I deserve the bell, hit the bell, but really appreciate it though. This stream was really fun. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Catch me in the cloud. Alright, so guys, that was the Podmic. I think this thing is awesome, man. definitely got my approval. Build quality is definitely 10 out of 10 build quality. Easily, so. And it sounds good. I got some good reviews on it. People saying it sounds really good. So that's gonna be it, guys. Definitely hit up Rode. These things sell out like super quick. So I'm not even gonna lie. If you think you're gonna get these, I don't know. Think again. They sell out super quick. But that's gonna be it. This one I'm gonna be using. I'll post some links in the description. Alright, it's Rick Tone. I'm out.